If Facebook is one of the platforms where you want to start creating content and making money from, then you're in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a monetized Facebook page, and also I'm going to be teaching you the things you should do on your Facebook platform and the things you should not do to avoid being demonetized or not be eligible for monetization, okay? And also I'm going to be teaching you the things you should set up on your Facebook page. If you're interested in this video, then keep up watching. The first thing you need to do to create your Facebook page is to have a Facebook app on your phone. So you need Facebook app to create a Facebook page. So I'm going to be sharing my screen. So I'm going to be putting on this side or this side, showing you guys how to create the Facebook page. Okay, so just like as I earlier said, the first thing you're going to be needing to create a Facebook page is your Facebook app. So if you don't have Facebook app on your phone, then go ahead and download on Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, go ahead and download it on the App Store. Then, so once you're done downloading it on your phone, the first thing you want to do is to create a Facebook account. That is, if you don't have a Facebook account yet, you go ahead and create a Facebook account. Click on it. You're going to see where they will tell you to sign in or create an account. Just follow up with the instruction and create your Facebook account. So the first thing you want to do is to click on your Facebook app. So you click on it like this. So once it's open like this, you're going to see these three dots around the right hand side on your screen. So you click on it, right? You're going to see something like this. You're going to see pages. So you click on pages. These are my pages. You're going to click on create. You are going to see create. Click on create. Create your page. A page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, or organization. Then you're going to click on get started. When you click on get started, you're going to see something like, what is the name of your page? Question. You say use the name of your business, brand, or organization, or a name that help explain your page. So at this point, you're going to determine what name you want to use to create your page. Okay, so for me, I have a page known as Promoted Sandra. That is my brand name. That is my business name as well. So if you want to make use of your name, you can go ahead and make use of your name. If your name is Osifo Jennifer, go ahead and use Osifo Jennifer. You know the reason why you are creating a Facebook page and you know what you are creating it for. So just go ahead and use the name that best fits what you want to do. So I'll go ahead and click on page name. So for me, I already have a page name with my name. So I'm going to be using a different name. So let me think, what name am I going to be using now? Ankara Style. Ankara Style. Okay, so this is the name I'm going to be using. I just hope they don't reject this name. So once you click on next, you're going to see something like what category best describe Ankara Africa Style, which is my page name. For you, it's going to ask you what category best describes your page name. You're going to see your page name over there. They said a category will help people find this page in search results. You can add up to 3. So right here they said popular categories: clothing, brand, beauty, cosmetic and personal care, music, band, health/beauty. So I'm going to be picking the clothing brand. Okay, what I want to be doing in this page, since the name is Ankara Africa Style, so I'm going to be uploading pictures of different designs on this page. That is what I'm going to be doing. So if you're a fashion designer, or even if you're not a fashion designer, you're a lover of style, both men's style, women's style, then by the time I'm done creating this page, just go ahead and check it out and follow me over there. Okay, so I'm going to click on clothing brand. Then I'm going to search for fashion. Let me see if I will see fashion model, fashion accessory, fast food, or should I choose beauty, cosmetic and personal care? Okay, let me click on it. Let me choose fashion designer. Let me see if something like that will come up. Okay, fashion designer. So for you, if you're a makeup artist, you go ahead and choose beauty, cosmetic and personal care. Then you also go ahead and search for anything related to makeup. You can search for makeup artist or makeup tools, or just search for anything. Okay, so once I'm done, I will click on create. So you're going to see create. Click on create. Wow, they said you have created your page. What best describe your goals? We will use this to help you finish setting up Ankara Africa Style. It will change your access to all your page features. The first option here says promote your products or services. best for companies, non-profits, and other organizations. The other one said create content and connect with fans, best for creators and personal brands. So at this point, you are going to choose the option that best describe what you want to do. So as a content creator, so I will advise you choose the second option. I'm going to choose the second option. I will click on it like this. So when you click on it, it's going to tell you to continue. You click on continue. They said customize your page. Your profile picture is one of the first thing people see. Try using your logo or simple image people can easily associate with you. We are done creating the page, so we are just trying to set up the things you need to set up. So the next thing you're going to be doing now is to add your profile picture and also your banner. So I'm going to be clicking on this first one, which is the banner. So I'm going to be using any picture I see on my phone. So I'm going to be using this picture. I've gone ahead to add a picture. This is how it looks like, and I don't like it. So I'm going to be designing a photo for that. So if you have any picture you want to use, you can go ahead and use it for you. So for me, I think I'm going to be piecing 3 pictures together using my InShot. So I will click on InShot like this. I will click on this collage. Then I'll click on grid. Then I'll go ahead and piecemate at least 3 pictures together. So I'm going to be picking this. I'm going to be picking this. Then I'm going to be picking the last picture. Then I'll click on canvas. Then I will turn it to Facebook banner. So this is Facebook size, I think. I will swipe and bring this onto the center. Just go ahead and arrange it the way you want to arrange it. Okay, so I will click on export. So for you, you can go ahead and design your logo. You can go ahead and use your logo or whatever thing you want to use. Okay, so this is just me adding what I want to add. Okay, finally it has uploaded. Then once you are done adding your banner, then you go ahead and add your profile. So you click on this camera sign here to add your profile. So maybe for your profile, you can go ahead and make it of any picture. Let me use this and see how it look like. So finally it has uploaded. Okay, so this is how it look like. Then you're going to see next. You click on next like this. So once you click on next, it's going to tell you to invite friends. It says grow your presence by inviting your friends to like your page. They said invite selected friends. You will send invites to 1,000 people to like your page. Click on invite. So I'm going to click on select all. So once you click on next, it's going to tell you add your favorites to Ankara Africa styles page and profile you follow as simply promote, all of that. So you're going to click on next. Don't click on anything. If you want to add anyone, you can go ahead and add. For me, I will just click on next. So after clicking on next, it's going to open. So they said stay informed about your page. Turn on these features to help make the most of Ankara Africa styles. You can change them anytime in settings, page notification, or your profile. Don't miss updates about your page Ankara Africa style you are switched into. I don't like notification that normally pumps up on my phone. I'm going to click on off. You can activate it or deactivate it. Then once I'm done with that, I'll click on done. So can you see they are now switching to Ankara Africa styles. So it has switched. Can you see it? So this is how your page is going to look like by the time you are done creating it. It's going to switch to your page. So this is how your page is going to look like once you are done switching it. They said add 50 friends to see more posts. So find friends. So you're going to click on find friends. Welcome to your new page. You are now switched out of your profile and into your page Ankara Africa style. This means you will have more confidence that you are sharing, liking, and commenting as a page, right? They say start tour. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is to search for my page, my personal page. So by the time you are done creating your page, go ahead and search for my page and follow me. Click on the search bar and search for Promoted Sandra. So once you click on Promoted Sandra, you click on search. When you click on search, you are going to see my page. This is it. They said follow. So just go ahead and click on follow. So you can follow me and search for people that you want to search for and follow them as well. So in case you want to upload videos, you want to post anything, this is what you're going to be doing. So if you check here, they said what's on your mind. You click on it. You can go ahead and type whatever that is on your mind. You can just type something like What am I going to be saying now? Okay, I will type something like, when I look into your eyes, all I see is fashion. Oh my god, what is this? So by the time you are done typing it, you can go ahead and click on this and click on any of the background you want to use for your post. I'm going to be using black, okay, like this. I will just click on next to post it. So go ahead and click on next. They said who can see your post? Public. So you click on public. Who can comment? Public. Schedule options. So if you want to schedule your post, you can go ahead and schedule it, as you can see there, or you click on schedule for later. So when you click on schedule for later, then you go ahead and click the date you want that post to appear on Facebook. So if it's on the 31st, you click on 31st. If it's, so you can just go ahead and click on any date. Let's assume I want it to upload on the 31st. I will click on OK. They will ask you the time, so you go ahead and position the time. If it's 6, if it's 5 o'clock, if it's 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, 3, 2, 1, 12. So you are going to be choosing the time you want, and you're going to be seeing AM and PM. So AM is in the morning, PM is in the afternoon till the evening. So you can go ahead and choose the one you want. So if you want it to upload in the morning, click on AM. If it's PM, click on PM. So I'll click on PM. Okay, so I'm not going to be scheduling this post. I want to post it now, so I'm going to change my settings from schedule for later to post now. I'll click on post now. By the time you click on post now, then you click on this arrow to go back and click on post. Another thing again, if you want to add collaborator, you can go ahead and add collaborator. I'm going to be teaching you that. So by the time you are done, if you want to upload pictures, you click on this picture sign. Then you choose as many pictures you want to choose. If it's more than one picture, you click on select multiple. You are going to see select multiple pictures on your screen. So then you click on one. So I'll click on this one again. I'll click on this one. So this is what I'm going to be uploading. I will click on next. So when you click on next, what I want to show you now is to invite collaborator. That is, if you want to collaborate with another person, I will click on collaborator. Then I will search for the name of the person I want to collaborate with. They said search by name, ID, or URL. So I'm going to be searching for Promoted Sandra. Once you search for the name you want to collaborate with, it's going to come up like this. Okay, this is my profile, which is simply Promoted Sandra. That is my profile, so I don't always upload there. So this Promoted Sandra is my page. I will click on Promoted Sandra, so it will click. So once you click on it, you click on done. When you click on done, you can go ahead and schedule it or post it. So I'm going to receive a notification on my Facebook page that Ankara Africa Fashion just added me as a collaborator. They're going to tell me to accept. So by the time I'm done with this, I will just go ahead and accept it so that it will appear on my page as well. So once you see it on my page, kindly follow this account. Okay, so you can just go ahead and add people as collaborators. For you to add somebody as collaborator, you need to inform them. They need to be aware, and most times to add people as collaborators, you need to pay. So like for me now, if you search on me and add me as collaborator, I will not accept it. And if you want me to accept your collaboration, you need to pay me for it. Yes, if I should accept your collaboration, it means that the people on my page will see your post, okay, like it, comment on it, share it, view it. If you want to add me as a collaborator, then come to my DM. Let's discuss the price. You get it? So that is how to create a Facebook page. We are done. That is all. This is the end of the video, and if you know this video was really helpful, go ahead and like it, comment on it. If you have any question you want to ask, go ahead and ask. If you don't have any question, go ahead and comment your favorite emoji and comment your favorite comment to appreciate this video. By so doing, YouTube will recommend my video to more people who are looking for how to create a Facebook page like you. All right, so go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do that. Thank you very much, guys, for sticking to this channel, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification if you want to be seeing more videos like this on my channel. And most importantly, please follow me on Instagram at official promoted Sandra. Follow me on Instagram. Let's be friends. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys.